Hi, good morning once again. This is Blacks in Europe. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Today I want motivate you. Now motivational words we won't talk about some things where our people they do now we won't talk about. But before we go, it get one company where I want no because I want to advertise them, because if you see good thing, you must talk about the good thing. If you want travel, say you from Europe, Italy, Germany, you won't go Africa, you need tickets, aeroplane tickets. Call JQ, they go buy you the aeroplane ticket online, everything. Now registered company, no be 419 company. They are registered company in Saarbrücken. You can get JQ TV, JQ radio, JQ on Facebook and YouTube. Now big company where they get hotels, everything they get and they're registered. So no be 419. Anywhere you want travel to, say you don't go Germany, you dey Berlin, you need hotel where you go sleep. You need hotel where you go just go rest. You go holidays, you need where you go rest. Just call JQ. You get hotel, you get many things where you go take support you, and they get application. If you go your Google Play Store, just search jqwaves.com, jqwaves.com. If you search anywhere you dey, you go get their radio station, their TV station. JQ, it dey help people, it dey help black. So if you won't call JQ, may he help you buy your tickets. Maybe not ticket to your country, ticket to Europe, any European country, to America, to UK. Just call this number +491 52 12 11 56 30. Or you go call me by myself. I go direct you straight to the JQ with this number +393 51 0851 So this number is what I don't give you. So anything where you need, where you go sleep, whether you want travel, whether you get one program, you want promote something, just call this number where I give you now. So before we go move on, today what thing we want to talk about now just simple. Now simple issue we want to discuss. Have time and listen to me. I dey ask say, because you don't get paper, your friend never get paper. You dey mock your friend. Because you don't born, your sister, your neighbor, your friend wey dey you never born. Wetin you go do to help her, to pray for her, you honor to mock her. Why e be like say, if you dey sleep or as you dey, all your prayer, wetin you dey pray every day, may your friend enter trouble, may you laugh her. May your friend get police issue, may you laugh her. May your friend dey hungry, may you take the mock her. Because you don't get American visa, you think say the world na your own. Because say you don't get Italian asilo politico, you think say Italy na your own. Because you get Italian passports, you dey mock those who never get. Because you get American green card, you think say America na you get am. You forget say Abraham Lincoln them they don't die. You forget say George Bush he don't come off for seat. You forget say Donald Trump in time go come. You don't forget say Mike Tyson before now they pay Donald Trump, but today Donald Trump na president for America. You forget say before Donald Trump he dey serve Mike Tyson, but today money where Donald Trump gets, Mike Tyson not get am. The America where you dey brag, you dey make noise, say you get American green card. You forget say no be you be the first person wey first go America. And even though now you be the first person, the America, you know say it get the people, the citizen where they own the America. And if America na there they born you safe, you na American person, you forget say you go die. You forget say Michael Jackson, now he be musician where the whole world they know him. Now he be musician where he change his skin. Now he be musician where he knows he change her. He use artificial nose. Today, if you find Michael Jackson for America, you know go fit see him. Unless you go cemetery. You forget so all those people they don't pass. Okay, because say you dey ride Mercedes Benz, you think say the world na your own. When your sense they start, your sense they end. You forget say that place now another person in sense they start. You forget say wetin you know. E get who know pass you. Why you don't get paper? You think say who never get and no be human being? Why you don't get paper? You don't get respect again. Why you don't dey ride one motor? So you think say the world na your own? You na motor you dey use, or person don't buy private jets. Naira power for Ghana, you don't die, you don't forget. That's chicken change where you don't get, where you dey make noise for social media. You forget say your country you get down go take for them where in don't silent, you know they make noise. You forget say big people dey. Big people dey way pass you. Wetin you think say you don't achieve? You don't forget say people don't achieve many times where today they know they are alive. Today you dey trend, you dey make noise. You forget say that trending now some people bring am. Now you dey rap. You be best rapper for your country. You think say na the rap now you save the rap. You think say na the rap the music now you bring music. You get people who start the music those days. Now you be journalist. You think say the journalism now you be the best. You get people where they start before you come. The word journalist, you get who create am. Now you dey speak English, you dey speak PG, you sabi speak your tribe language. Who travel where you not sabi speak and you think say in a mumu? Because say you dey speak English, person dey speak French. You think say the French person in a mumu? Go in country, na him be king. Go in family, na him dey rule. Go in family, if you talk, na people dey listen. The food where you know they chop, if you see another person they chop and you think say those people na here food they chop. Wetin you go chop where you go take get health? Wetin you go chop where go make you strong? If another person chop and he go sick. Wetin you dey chop where you they make you dey sick? You get who go chop and that thing they make am dey strong. My brother, anything where you think say you know good for you, maybe another person and that one they make am happy. If you get paper, it good though. But not think say who never get am, you get sense pass am. Nothing say now you know how to talk, now make you get paper. Nothing say now you know how to create story, now make you get paper. I remember say it gets on time. I use myself to do this example. When we come Europe new, people when they get 2 years, people when they get 1 year, they come they laugh we never come. But at last, we collect paper where it be record for their eye. We break record for that place where we did. Thanks Giacomo. Thanks to La Contrada, my praise owner. The time where we come, you get people where we come meet. I know they mention name. When they think say where we come new, we will not go see paper. Lord don't change. But now we, Italian nation, bless us with Asilo Politico. Now we be the first couple we collect Asilo Politico for that camp. No beside they use and they brag. But the praise waiting God do. At the talk and make people know say if you don't achieve something, nothing say person no fear achieve am. Person fear achieve am more than how you have achieved it. Every day they happy. They happy if your friend achieve good thing. If you join her happy, God said go give you that thing. But if you envy her, that place you no go reach there. Your friend don't get document, he call you tell you. He dey pain you say that one don't get document. See this here boy, he don't get document. See this mumu, he don't get document. My brother, as you dey envy her, God go envy you too. As you dey jealous her, now so the jealous you go fool your body. As you dey plan the downfall, now you go carry the downfall. Nothing say waiting you don't get, person never get her. Many people don't come get her. As you get Asilo, you think say now you get the word. Person self get kata sojourno. As you don't get kata sojourno, you think say the word now your own. Person day where you to get Italian passport. As you too you get Italian passport, you they make mouth, you they shout, you they brag. You get who they born out for the country where the country now in a citizen, the country now you own, now they own the country. Those people waiting they go do. The America where you they make noise. You forget say now people country. The motorway you don't get, the one motorway you don't get where you they make mouths. You forget say you get who now establish that company where they do the motor, that person waiting they do. You forget say where you go buy and a person get the company where you go buy that motor inside. dey make mouth with one small thing, one chicken change wey you don't get. You be musician, another musician don't hold your hand, show you to the world. Say me una watch this boy. This boy go replace me later. For you to do good thing, take praise that person will help you. For you to appreciate waiting the person to help you. At the end of the day, you go radio station, they grant interview, they tarnish the person name, they tarnish your boss, will help you. What today you don't trend because you don't they get Europe tour they come, because you don't they come they play shows for abroad. You think that you big past your boss. Ma tell you one thing where you never understand. The trending, if they say you the trend, you go trend, you go stay end. You know why? The trend is spelling. Ma spell am for you. Na STREND. So you come out that STR. Waiting remain na end. May you know say if you trend, it go get time where you go end. You get one time Ghana, one musician where they call Samini. He be the best for Ghana and today it's still the reign. Why? Because the man he get respect. But all these young musicians where they come. If producer won't help una, if person won't manage una, as una just get one tour, as una just get one show for abroad, as una just go play one show, get one chicken change, una think so una don't bro, una go they make noise, una no go let people they rest. Every day una they make noise. People will help una now una go they tarnish their name. My dear sisters, you don't born today. Nothing say who never born. He no go born at all. No they laugh and say he no get womb. No be you be God. The womb no be you the creator. You feel born tomorrow. You feel born today. Tomorrow doctor will tell you say you no feel born again. We know people who don't go hospital. Doctor tell them say they no go born. Today they born. This life where you dey, if person help you, if person push you go forward, if you no feel praise the person or thank the person, no go backfire or no go they tarnish the person name. If person help you with small thing, they appreciate. And you where you get money where you say you don't want to help anybody, no before say me you help person. But as you know they help her, as you don't want to help anybody, no they more who not get. But because we know many people where they rich before, but today where they go sleep na wahala for them, waiting they go chop na wahala for them. Waiting you don't get, people don't get and pass you. Waiting you don't achieve, you get who first achieve her. Europe where you don't come, you get who first come. Libya where you there, you get who first come Libya. You be burger, you carry person come Europe because you carry and come. You dey use the person, they do a shower. You dey suffer the care. You dey beat the person anyhow. You dey maltreat her because say you help her. My brother, you help her, no me say may you kill her. This life no be our own. Maybe we remember say you get day where God go judge me and you. Waiting you go take inside your CV where God go carry come where you won't read. Waiting which good thing you don't do inside. Na enviness you won't go tell God. Na jealousy you won't tell God. Na to spoil person now you won't do. Your neighbor, your friend with your wife they marry. Your mama with your papa, may you ask them, say they know they quarrel for their marriage. They know they fight. You don't get married. Even the marriage counselors, when they do marriage counseling, them with their husband they quarrel, my dear sister. Because you hear say one of your friend in with him husband they quarrel, now you don't use like topic. That word you don't use like topic every day. You don't open your ear. May you hear say people they fight. May you hear say marriage people they quarrel. If the marriage they easy, go marry. If the marriage na simple thing, marry some may we know as the marriage is sweet pass. And those young girls where wanna date this Europe, where wanna say wanna be single mothers. Wanna be single mothers where wanna don't born 2 children, 3 children, where wanna don't know who give wanna the belly. Wanna picking papa wanna don't know where he dey. Or the man not marry wanna. Where wanna say because they wanna be single mother, wanna go the fuck anyhow. Wanna go the fuck any man, wanna go fuck anything fuckable. My dear sister, may you know say the married women will wanna say wanna they fuck their husband, them they marriage. If the marriage na thing will be like say it good, well nothing will be like say it easy. Why who you born those 3 children for you not marry you? Because you are not a marriage material. You dey social media they make mouth. When a day street they shout. Now we sabi wine. Now we sabi fuck, my dear sister. Now you sabi mumu. but you don't know. Now you sabi fool yourself, now you sabi disgrace yourself. You go sit down, you go say, because my friend, me with her they quarrel, I go fucking boyfriend, I go fucking husband. Now you they use yourself. Now you they disgrace yourself. Now you they sell your dignity as a woman. Now you they make men they see how useless you are. Now you be town helper. Now you be container. Now you be street where everybody they waka pass. Now you yourself you the fool. Nothing say the married woman way, the married man where you go fuck. Now in wife you they do and now yourself you they useless. Ask yourself why you don't do prostitute for 15 years. You never get any certificate. They never grant you any award. You never achieve anything. You still did this life. They suffer. You say you don't want hear advice. You don't want take advice. Then don't give anybody advice. As you don't want take advice, if they tell you truth, the truth you don't want take, no give anybody. Enviness man na comot am for your mind. You dey Europe 50 years, 30 years, 10 years. You dey compare yourself with who come just 2 years. You know fit be. And you where you come Europe new. You where you come abroad new. You na 2 years you dey. Person don't spend 15 years. No, they compare yourself to am. Wetin he don't achieve. He use many years now he achieve am. Wetin you don't get, na many years he take get am. Motorway in the drive, na many years he take drive am. Na many years he take go to school. Many years now he take achieve all those things. No dey envy the person where you come meet in life, where don't go ahead, where don't move up, where don't achieve. You don't ask him how many years he don't spend in the life where they achieve all those things. No, they rush in life. If you rush, if you do pursue the life, you go meet the life, you go reach the life, you no go know say now this one be the life, you go pass am. May you concentrate, may you focus. No be say you don't see say this person they drive a Range Rover, they drive a Mercedes Benz. So you say if you want drive on today. You say you won't find ways and means may you get all those things. You don't ask the person how many years he take achieve all those things. Why you dey envy? Why you get paper, you dey envy your friend? Why person don't get paper, you too where you not get, you dey envy am? Why you not go follow and help you? May God self help you, may you too get. Why you dey Germany? Why you dey Holland? Why you dey Denmark? Why you dey Belgium? You not get paper. Who get Italian paper? You dey they say Italian paper not strong. You not strong, but that person if you go in country. You where you dey that place where you no fit travel. You where you dey there where you don't go. May we comot enviness for our hearts. May we comot jealousness for our hearts. May every time we dey happy for who don't achieve good thing. May we stop to the envy. The girl slim, if fine. You want slim because you no fit diet be like her. You dey envy her and say he slim. See as he bone. You where you fat, you don't get award. And you too where you slim, where you dey laugh who fat. The slim, you too waiting you don't achieve inside. Anyhow, God take create you, appreciate her. And if you fat, no they laugh who slim. Now God create her like that. Maybe you wish to be like her. Maybe you wish to be fat because you not feel fat. You say it too fat. In fatness not fine. And maybe you want fat too. And you too maybe you want slim. But because you not feel big, you they laugh. Person don't write Tesamedia. You never feel right now. Because they say waiting be Tesamedia. And in your mind you need the Tesamedia. Person don't go university. You never feel read there. You say I beg if you go university self, you know they see work. But at least in a graduate, you know be. Anything where person they do where you know fit do one. Africa people. More una they stop to they tarnish the person name. Instead of una to motivate the person. You know, instead of una to push the person. Africa person they go they drop you, may you come down. Why our mind be like that? You don't see say the boy won't do good thing. For you to help the boy, may you read there. Your owner to spoil the person career. And you to where they won't help you. If you read that up, nothing say because you don't reach up, you don't feel come down. Being on top is not the problem. But the problem is to be consistently on the up. That's the problem. To be on top, yeah, it's just easy. You can be there. You can trend anytime. But to sustain there, to be consistent there, because we know a lot of musicians, they don't trend tire. they were on top, but now they are down. So now, as a new artist, as an underground artist, or anything you are doing, we be like say you there underground. If person help you, just show a little appreciation for whatever he or she did for you. Just appreciate. Just show little appreciation for the person who helped you. Don't go outside and tarnish his name. Don't go outside and say bad things about who helped you. Mona, they stop that. Especially my Ghanaian people. Yenjai enviness. Yenjai or time. Wa wo no bi mo ya emfa wo ba no mfa nsere no cause ye hu obi a wa wo nkwala be yedu nso e no mu nyina o mawu ka na wutwi no obi na ye ka no wutwi ka odi ye dede obi twi private jet ni e wo ye no obi aya asem ni e wanya no obi na di kan nyaaye abrochiri awo no obi na di kan baaye pepa ekita no obi di ka ji ansa wo ba emra na osi unim no obi na kire wo school mu ti adenti na wo kire wo adenti na wo pagya wo adenti na wo kunkun sika kakra wanya adenti na ahomaso aba wo mu esanse osi wanya paper nti adenti na ahomaso aba wo mu ka bia wutwi nti ka na bi matwi ne esen wo ukuro masikafo bebre wo ho mawuko na wabisa se fie na omusiye na omutena ye kosi omu musi omu ofie ne yem ubekom kura sa nipa no sa sikani na wunim no no kwae bi mu ne yekosie no ba bi esie na hofu na kura kwase kwakire ne na so a adenti na womre wo ho ase na nyame mpagya adenti na wo hu se wunua eya ade pa na instead of say ube pushi no no obeboa no ube pia na mana kwa anim no wo de ne se obetwe na bafo adenti ya adwenfi a wodwen ama wunua na sa na nyame betwe ama no ama wonso na nsana mewie masem no sene mebra deal e grande na one a wait liu kan no eya enye ntiatia mechia GQ mechia na nadwa sister Teresa na nakwia dini dia mechia ni pabibre GQ platform quiz e basui obi an taking it serious 7th December 2019 AM menenda Kurobi a otisu bia sua ho amamre sua ho mra na quiz yi ba so live e wo GQ TV December 7th quiz ne su din eye GQ Family Entertainment Quiz wo Europe ha opese otukwan ko Africa wo Europe ha opese otukwan ko Ghana opese otukwan ko any European country Canada Asia Australia ana wo Germany wo be hotel adem contact GQ ana uwa brochire opese utie radio utie Ghana nyon Ghana gospel Ghana dadem download gqwaves.com uko GQ a wo de search wo application no Google Play Store search gqwaves.com that application ubenya Ghana nyon radio TV enyum bi a opebia no ubenya nti download the GQ application sisia na opese o free GQ na onini din komo opese o to GQ etikita ode boama amanfo tukwan se bia opese o tukwan na opete tikita to se ne medical kan na eno ane se obefre number we +4915 +4915 212 115630 +491 5212 115630 anasa obetimi afre mi ankasa Hassan na ma contact wa ma GQ ewo +393 51 08 51 685 ofre sa number we ya obetimi nya GQ na wato ticket every GQ multimedia GQ radio eno an obietie medawase share and subscribe